Let's shift gears this morning and let's talk about some of the winter weather that's going to be heading our way, friends. We are talking about the potential not only for some freezing rain, but also some snow and even some rain in some spots. So it is why the National Weather Service has already issued a winter weather advisory. This is going to go in effect tonight through tomorrow morning. So it's for basically all of the counties that you see highlighted there in that bluish purple there, except for Tuscarawas County. So that includes Cuyahoga, Lorain, Summit, as well as Trumbull. So here's pretty much the timeline for what you can expect. So I think the majority of us will see mainly cloudy skies today. We might see one or two peaks of some sunshine, but after about 5 o'clock, that's when we're going to start to see that freezing rain move across southwestern parts of our area, so the Mansfield area. And after that, that's when we'll start to end up seeing some of that wintry mix push across our region, likely sometime around 11 o'clock, and then it'll pretty much be sticking around. My concerns for the system are going to be the freezing rain potential and snow. That's going to lead to some slippery spots, not only on the sidewalks, but also the roads and those overpasses. So please be careful there. And we are going to end up seeing also the potential for a few power outages. Only if it's safe. Do me a favor, snap a photo and some video. You can upload those pictures and that video using the WKYC app. Doppler radar, things are looking good. It's calm right now, despite seeing some of that cloud cover on the satellite. Much wider view, you can basically see where that system is. It's moving over portions of Missouri as well as the southern portion of Illinois. My biggest concern is going to be where you see that pink there. That's where that mixing is going to be. And right now it's moving across parts of Kansas as well as Missouri. Temps right now, we're pretty much in the 20s, except in places like Akron as well as downtown Cleveland, where we are in the lower 30s. National Design Mart, hour by hour forecast. So for much of the morning, we're going to pretty much be staying in the 20s. And then by the afternoon time, we'll start to see temps warming up into the mid 30s. But then here comes that snow I was talking about, especially for southern places, including Mansfield, New Philadelphia, as well as Dover. That mixing is likely going to start happening sometime around 11 o'clock. That freezing rain will definitely be impacting places like the Mansfield area, Worcester, and even right here in downtown Cleveland. Overnight, we could also see some rain as well develop. All right, here's a look right now at your Super 7-day outlook. So 34 for a high today, 37 for tomorrow, and then we cool down by Thursday. We are only, Dave, talking about temps topping out in the mid-20s.
Oh boy. Okay, Jason, thank you.